So you can see right here, what we're staring at is a nuclear missile silo hatch. So you can see comparative to the vehicle how large this is. And I myself, when I stand up next to it, you can see it comes up almost to my shoulders, how tall this thing is and how thick it is. It's massive. And so what would happen is when the missiles would go to launch, these would lift, tilt up sideways like this, and then this massive elevator would lift out of the ground with the missile, and it would take 22 minutes for that to lift out of the ground and to fire. And the military didn't like that, so after a few years they decommissioned the entire missile silo. And you can see right here how massive these hinges were for the missile hatch to open up. See right here, I mean, let me step down here. And you can just see compared to my hand, I mean, all of that to lift up these massive hatches, which you can't even, I mean, they're sealed to the ground when they touch. Is that an old beer can from like the 70s? And so obviously they had a lot more gasketing and rubberizing and whatever they would do in order to make it nuclear proof or radiation proof. Because what I was told when I moved out to this place was that they were able to have 300 people live underground for a year if a nuclear bomb were to go off and be completely sealed off from the outside world. And so as I walk along this, it doesn't seem like it, but I'm actually sitting on, you can see in the one of my older videos, I'm literally standing right now on top of a 125, 130 foot drop. This goes straight down. It's a massive 90-foot diameter tube around this whole thing. Here's one you can see they took all of the nuts off. And I'm sure if we ever tried to lift this whole thing up, this would probably be a massive issue, but I mean, look at that. That is just crazy. The size of this hinge. That's my arm right there compared to it. Look at my arm. I didn't even touch the bottom. I mean, you can just see where we're at is literally the middle of nowhere. So you have no idea that there was a 400,000 square foot, nuclear missile silo underground out here, just hanging. Torvy. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm freezing my ass off out here, so I'm gonna head back inside and edit this video.